So hi, I'm Vishali. So I have completed my 3 months course of software testing in ACTE Institute. So I just wanted to share my experience with you. So one of the major highlights of ACTE software testing course is its comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of software testing, from the fundamentals of manual testing to advanced concepts such as automation testing and performance testing. So this course ensures that students gain a well-rounded understanding of the field. So this helped me a lot to enhance my skills. And I believe that practical exposure is key to mastering software testing, right? The course emphasized hands-on training, providing me with ample opportunities to apply the concepts that I have learned. Through real-world projects, case studies, and interactive sessions, I developed the necessary confidence and skills to tackle real-life testing scenarios. One thing I liked about ACTE is they go the extra mile to support students in their career endeavors. Apart from the technical aspect of software testing, the institute also focuses on developing students' soft skills and interview guidelines. Mock interviews, resume building sessions, and assistance in job placements are all of part of the comprehensive support system offered by ACTE. So my overall experience in ACTE was excellent. They stand out as a leader in providing top-notch training programs like comprehensive curriculum, expert faculty, interactive learning environment, and unwavering placement support. So thanks to ACTE because now to ready to face the software testing field with confidence and skills.